This is Ravita, PhD scholar from FRI Dehradun. I have recently completed 7 days online technical workshop in bioinformatics from BDG Life Sciences. The learning experience was excellent and this will be very helpful to me in my future. And I am sincerely thankful to our guide, Ms. Sarwari, for explaining all the technical details in such an easy manner. Thank you, BDG Group.
Hello, my name is Ayushi Bhanushali. I am currently pursuing my engineering degree in the field of biotechnology. I recently attended a workshop which was organized by BDG Life Sciences titled as Introduction to Bioinformatics. My trainer for the workshop was Mrs. Sharvari Kulkarni ma'am. She was very humble during my entire workshop and extremely cooperative. She explained all the technicalities very easily that it created a new image of bioinformatics in my mind. This workshop also increased my interest in bioinformatics and helped me in my personal and my academic outgrowth. I look forward for more such informative workshops in future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Das. I am pursuing my masters in biotechnology from Ravinsha University. I recently attended a 7 days workshop on basics of bioinformatics by BDG Life Sciences. It was a great learning experience for me, and our guide Ms. Sarwari ma'am taught us very well, very beautifully, and she taught us all about PDB, BLAST tool, RASMOL, SPDV, and a lot. She cleared all our doubts. She taught us how to interpret all the data from graphical forms. It was a really amazing course, and I'm looking forward to attend more such courses. And lastly, thanks to Ms. Sarwari ma'am and thanks to BTG Life Sciences.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Arijit Dede, and I am currently pursuing my engineering degree in the field of biotechnology. Recently, I attended a workshop of Introduction to Bioinformatics from BDG Life Sciences. The workshop was pretty amazing, the content was good as well. The workshop was taken by the teacher Sharvari Kulkarni. The content which she provided was amazing. She was very helpful, caring, and friendly. I hope to attend more such workshops from BDG Life Sciences. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhriti Jaisima Mallur. I am a second year BTech in biotechnology student in PS University. I am very much interested in genetic engineering and environmental biology, and I hope to do my research in this field in the future. So, CRISPR is one of the genetic engineering advancements of this century. It is a very important advancement in the field of biology. So I wanted to learn more about CRISPRs. So when I googled and if there were any CRISPR workshops or courses I could take online, there were very few, but luckily I found this course. So I applied to the 7-day CRISPR program. I knew a little, only the basics about CRISPR, and I hope to learn how to do this in the lab, and more details about how this mechanism works. But I learned so much more than that. I learned our teacher Monica ma'am, from the very first day, she explained everything very clearly. She started with the basics, and at each step she asked us if we had understood it or not, and she was more than happy to explain it again and again. Also, as the like after the basics in the first and the second class, we in the third, fourth, and fifth class, we moved on to the studying the practical approach of CRISPR. So what many courses do is they just tell you how the mechanism works, and they show you how it's done in the lab, but they don't show you how to analyze the results you get from the lab. So in this course I learned how to analyze the results we got, and how to use many free softwares that are available to help with CRISPR experiments. We learned a lot, we got to know about a lot of different online tools which will help us in this experiment. And our teacher explained every single result that we got. She explained why we got this result and how to get a better result if we wanted. So that was I feel for if you want to learn genetic engineering or any other engineering course online, more than the theory, of course it is important, but you need to be prepared to do whatever you have learned in the lab. So I felt that the course was very structured it was structured in a very organized way, so that whatever we learned in the basics class was applied in the practicals class. And I would have never known about these online tools if I hadn't attended this course. I would have never found them. So I really liked the course. Our teacher was very helpful. She gave us a lot of extra research papers, and she showed us a lot of videos to help us understand the mechanism better. And I would like to thank her. I would like to thank Monica ma'am for this. I would highly recommend any of the courses that they have. It will definitely deepen our understanding. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Shreya Grover from IIT Roorkee, MSc Biotechnology. I just completed a workshop with BDG Life Sciences on MD simulation. It was a great workshop. I learned a lot and the instructor was also amazing. She cleared all my doubts and helped me throughout. It was a great session and I learned a lot. Thank you, BDG.